Welcome to Keep Up Educational. I hope you're ready to learn something new today, because in this video we will talk about customer needs, wants and demands. If you didn't see the introduction video for this chapter, it should be a link right here, and if not, you will find it in the description. And before we start, please consider subscribing to the channel and liking this video, because it helps me keep going. So let's start then. Please remember what I tell you in every video. When we talk about marketing, you should see it from the perspective of satisfying customer needs and providing value for that customer need. And what are those needs? Those needs are states of feel deprivation. You ever felt like something is missing, you didn't feel happy, you felt like you want something but you didn't know what that is? That is a need. And a need just progressed with the evolution of the mankind. And the marketeers didn't create it. That's the fun part. They didn't have to. All marketeers did was to observe, try to understand, and then they came up with a product that was satisfying that need. And this is how you do marketing right. There are three different types of needs. First of all, there are the physical needs. Here we talk about food, clothes, warmth and safety. There are the social needs, like wanting to belong, being part of a group and affection. And there are also individual needs, which are the need for knowledge and the need for self-expression. You watching this video right here is your individual need for knowledge. Or you just need the information and you will never come back. But if you will never come back, please subscribe to the channel. It helps me and I provided you this information, okay? So remember, needs weren't created by anyone. They are just there naturally and we got them by the evolution of mankind. For example, being loved and loving, showing affection, is a need that you have. And you may not express it, you may not know how to express it because you don't express love, you feel it. The wants are what the human needs became in a context. So your needs were influenced by your culture, by the way you've grown up, where you've grown up, and by your individual personality. If you are German, you may want to drink a beer. If you are Romanian, you may want highways. But even talking in the same context, what somebody from Africa, for example, wants to eat is not the same with what somebody from America wants to eat. And that's because they form themselves as an individual differently because of the culture. So that's why we say that our wants are shaped by our culture and by our environment and the individual personality. And the last thing on the list are the demands. Demands are what human wants become when they are backed by buying power. Let me give you some context. First of all, you go and get your first job, and then you get your first payment check, right? And then you go and spend it over some bullshit like an iPhone, which you don't need, because having an iPhone is not a human need, but it's something you want. And because you have the money, you will spend it over something that you want, and then the iPhone is called a demand, because you demanded it. So please, stop making bad investments and having wrong demands. Because that's why you're here, to learn about these things, and then you can get some more money. No, because you will spend it over some bullshit because you don't have finance. Oh, we have a finance class. Yeah, you should go watch it. But hey, you're already here, you are learning, so you are in the right place. The only thing you should do before getting to that point or passing that marketing test you have is subscribing to this channel, because I will post more videos like this. I hope this video helped you. I will see you at the next one.